Okay, we'll perform a cold start. This has been sitting since the fall, which is a couple months. I had a battery tender on it I just removed. Sorry, I should have had the cover off. Get it out of the exhaust way. Right.
Waiting for pairing.